Do you want to know who makes the best clear glue based slimes? If you do, then it's time for a slime showdown. In this video, I'm going to be telling you what the top 5 clear glue based slimes in my collection are. Like I say in all my slime showdown videos, this is just my personal opinion based on how I like my clear glue slimes. They are easy to activate if they melt or get sticky, they are stretchy, and of course they have to be really gorgeous because clear glue slimes are just so pretty. Now let's jump into the video. Number 5. Galaxy Pop Rocks by Crafty Slime Time. This slime literally does not melt. It stays good for so long and you don't really need to activate it. It isn't super stretchy, but it is so fun to play with. It is a really nice jelly cube slime. Number 4. Sticky Rice and Mango by OG Slimes. This one can get really sticky easily, so watch out for that, and there is some bead fallout, but the bubble pops are amazing. It's a super crunchy clear glue slime. Make sure you comment down below what your favorite clear glue based slime is from any slime shop, because I would love to know what you guys think are your favorites and go and check them out myself. And if you are enjoying this series, I would really appreciate it if you could give it a like so I know to keep on making these videos. Number 3. Jello Kitty by Slimeowy. This slime is a little bit difficult to activate because it's really easy to over-activate, but once you get it to the perfect texture, it makes great bubble pops that are to die for. And look at how pretty it is. Such a nice color with really pretty glitters. Number 2. Mermaid Lagoon by Blushing BB Slimes. Now this gorgeous blue is on a whole nother level. It's really easy to activate, and like I said, it is gorgeous. Look at that slime. Number 1. Unicorn Blood by Muggle Slimes. I am obsessed with this slime. It's perfection. It's stretchy, it's clicky, glossy, pretty. I don't know what other things I said that I love about clear slime, but this one has it all. Literally, I don't need to explain it to you. Just look at this slime. And those are my favorite clear glue based slimes. Make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications so you can know when I post my next slime showdown. My very last slime showdown is going up next week, so stay tuned for that. If you enjoyed this video, I really think you will like seeing my favorite confetti slimes, so check out my confetti slime showdown. Click or tap the screen to watch that. Thank you all so much for watching. Keep creating, and I will see you all next time.